Good morning. Welcome to my morning muse with Oludayo. I'm so happy to be with you this morning. And how are you doing? Yes, very great. That's good to know. Now, before I share the muse for today with you, let me ask you a question. Are there things that you've started to do that you have left undone? If there are, then today is the day when they all begin to get your attention. Now, here's the muse for today. If you want to excel in anything, then pay attention to completing everything. You know, the one who starts is not the one who gets applauded or awarded. It is the one who finishes and completes that gets the crown. I'd like to charge you, challenge you, encourage you today. Don't just start, continue. And don't stop at continuing, finish. It is the one that finishes that gets applauded. Today, as you go on, enjoy the bliss of the day, finish.